Hello everyone. Today we will be solving a problem from educational Codeforces round 149 related for division 2 comparison string. So you are given a string s of length n where each character is either less than or greater than sign. An array consists of n plus 1 element is compatible with string s if for every I from 1 to n the character si represents the result of comparing ai and ai plus 1. That is, si is less than if and only if ai is less than ai plus 1, and si is greater than if and only if ai is greater than ai plus 1. So basically we have to find the cost of the array. The cost of the array is the number of the different elements in it. For example, they have given an example, so we have to find out the minimum cost among all the arrays. So if you see, basically what we have to do, we have to find out the longest consecutive sequence, and and at the end we have to add plus 1 to it. So this is the problem statement. So let's go to the code and code it out. So let's code it out. For this we have to take an input of t, the number of test cases, and each test case consists of two lines. The first line contains of one integer n, and the second line consists of a string s consisting of n characters which are either less than or greater than. So we have to output the minimum cost among all the arrays. So let's go to the code and code it out. Include bits /stdc++ dot h using namespace std in main in t the number of test cases, while t minus minus int n. What have to take, we have to, first line will contain the integer n and the second line contains the string s consisting of n characters. Okay, int n, c in n, string s, the string, c in s. So first of all we will take the length. Int len equals to s dot size. Okay, now we have to take the count equals to 0. We will take the first element. So first element, for that we will do a character result equals to s of 0, means the first character, and we will initialize the current count to 1 because we have taken the first character. Okay, so we'll iterate through the string. So for that we will do int I equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. So what we will do, we will traverse the string till the last character. So for that, if I is less than len minus 1, means the second character, okay, and s of I, the current character, equals to the next character, then what we will do, we will increase the current count by 1. Else, if it is a new element, what we will do is we will check if current count is greater than count. What we will do is we will initialize count equals to current count and store the value of the current element, that is s of I, of the next element, sorry, and we will initialize current count equals to 1. So this is the count of the next element, that is the rest that we have taken here. And finally, outside of the loop, what we will do is print cout count plus 1, because this is the maximum count of a occurrence of that element, and plus 1, and finally we'll return 0. So let's take an input. 3362. Let's run it. So let's download the code. Let's choose the file, submit it. Yeah, it's running absolutely fine. And if you don't understand, let me show you the dry run of this program. So if you can see here, let's take this two as example. Okay, so let's do the dry run here. Okay, so in this you can see there are two greater than sign consecutively and two lesser than sign. So the maximum of any of them will be 2, and with that plus 1. So its answer is 3. Okay, and in this one there are 5 greater than sign, so it will be the consecutive elements will be 5, and we will do a plus 1 with it, that will be 6. So its answer is 6. So this is the code and this is the diagram. I hope you understand the program, and if there is any issue you can go through the program once again. So thank you, and we'll see you next time.